Baliaga to number 14, number 10, number 20, number 22, and number 1. And for Barangay Puling Norte, first 5. Number 1, number 6, number 19, and number 7. And number 08 for Guadiana, 03. And let's start the first period. This time on Tulagan. Bigay naman on Macananas. But no good. The Frankfurt rebound. On number 1, 2. Number 1 to 5. This time on number 20, Tulagan. Good. Number 1 again. Almost loses the handle. Pass to number 22 and got the basket. Number 19. Diretso, mabibitawan. Makukura on number 14, but no good. Almasan for the defensive rebound. At nagawa din si Almasan. That connects the foul on number 17. Basket and connects foul on for the second team foul. This time on Almasan, number 7. Looking for a receiver to number 19. Gautaman to Guadiana. Fires a 3. Masyadong malakas. This time on Tulagan. Tatlo ang dinaanan ng Lugod. Number 6 naman for the defensive rebound. For Soriano. To Gautaman. Susubok ng Goss. It's a fancy foul on number 19. Tulagan to number 10. Almost loses the handle. It's a big. Number 19 to Almasan. So good. Soriano. Turn around jumper. Basket 2 points on Soriano. First deadlock tayo. For all our official score. Lamang ngayon ang 2 puntos on Aliaga 2. Six lata.
Aliaga 6. 6 Aliaga.
No good. This time on number 19. Big Dynamite 2 points. On number 1. Big Diamond. Number 10. Eight six, our official score. This time on number 19. We get a shot around that island, but connects to foul on number. Personal foul on number 1. For the first team foul. First throw of number 19 is no good, and this time for the second free throw. Kejadian. Para sa 3, no good. Sa pangalawa pong Guadiana, kulang lang. Big Diamond, back to back sa foul na number. Basket also. Number 22. Tingnan naman ang number 20. It's a nice shot sa number 20. Number 19, bigay naman. On the ganon to Guadiana, wala pa rin. Pinakalawa si Guadiana, this time Guadiana pa rin. For the first basket of number 3, Guadiana, 2 points. Inside pass, turn around jumper, no good. Again on number 22, using by the dash, 2 points. Number 19, on Guatemala, susubukin. At mabibitawan, Macaranas this time to number 14. Lay up, 2 points. 1 minute 20 seconds. Number 17, on Almasan, labas naman, on Soriano. No good. Offensive rebound. Number 17 to number 6. Lalabas naman ang number 19. 10 seconds to shoot. 5 to 3, but no good. Number 20 ngayon on Tulagan. No good. Same home pa rin. 4 na puntos sa Kalamangan. Ano na rin? Dadagdagan pa yan. 6 na puntos ngayon ang Kalamangan. Noon Barangay Aliaga. Number 19, 40 seconds. 5 to 3 on Almasan, but no good. 35 seconds. 30 seconds. Macaranas lalapit. 2 points is good. 20 seconds. Bigay naman ang number 1, 15 seconds. Big Diamond basket, 2 points, 10 seconds. 5 seconds. Basket, 2 points. 18 seconds. No good, number 1. 2 points. Babala yan sa 2 puntos ang Kalamangan. Number 1, Bigaman to Almasan. Masyadong malakas. Nakagawad ba? Nakagawad na, pero mababalik ang number 14. Susugod na, no good. Guadiana to Almasan. 2 points. Second deadlock tayo, 18 all. Number 20, Juan Tulagan. Nakagawan. Same ball pa rin tayo. 13 seconds on the shot clock. No good. This time, Juan Soriano. Nabibitawan pa yun. No good. Number 3, Guadiana this time. Hindi nag-top. Number 20 is out. And also with number 22, plays by number 7. Macaranas, iwan para kay number 11, but block. No basket, but connect sa foul.
Sige, sige.
Second personal foul for the first team foul. No good. And last touch. 6 minutes and 24 seconds. This time on number 19. Sorry, teammates. Lalapit ng konti. Bibigay naman. But this has been dalawang turnover na yun for Barangay Pulong Norte. Sayang naman. No good. At wala ang number 1. Bigaman sa number 23. No good. Guanjana. No good again. Guanjana pa rin. No good. So number 25, mabintawan pero nasave pa rin. Basket and the next foul number 19. For the bonus shot is basket. 21-18 our official score. 3 puntos ang hinahabol ng Barangay Pulong Norte. This time also Guardiana naman. No good. Put back at number 19 but no good. Basket. And please.
Ben!
23-18 our official score. 23. Number 23 to number 6, but no good. Number 14 1 to number 25, basket. Number 19 to number 1 to Gammon. No good for 3. This time, strongly guarded to number 25. No good. Lalapit, no good. 2 points, basket. 27-18. Number 23 to number 19. It's a 3 points and number 19. Masyadong 2 minutes and 55 seconds. Makukuha this time ang Guardiana. Hindi na nahabol. Number 11 this time. 10 seconds to shoot. No good. Back to back. Number 11. Play naman on number 14. 10 seconds to shoot. Bang! It's a 3 points.
Live ball.
Number 19. He's Rocha, but the next foul on number. Substitution up. Number 6 is out. The place of number 8. First. Tulong order now. On number 19, inside pass. Pero nabitawan on number 8. 1 minute 45 seconds, no good. Basket this time for the footback. Guanzana on number 3, di diretso. Two seconds in the second period. Number 11. At bola. 1 minute and 18 seconds. Basket, 2 points on the gavel. 1 minute 10 seconds.
Inapuran pa ni mo.
1 minute. Number 11. But no good. 22-23, our repeated score. No good. Connects the foul on number 20, foul on number 25. Connects the foul on number 14. 46 seconds, only 46 seconds. Labas naman. It's a wide-lane violation. Substitution. We're good. Almasan, basket, 2 points, 30 seconds. And the shot clock is off, 23 seconds. 20 seconds. No good. 15 seconds. 2 points. 5 seconds. Almasan. And then fires the three, but no good. This time on number 23. Big guy naman ng Almasan, bitin. Masyadong malakas. Makaranas, pero makukuha ang Soriano. Makukuha din. 2 points. Almasan. Third basket, but connects the foul on number 0 connects the foul. And 2 free throws awarded for number 17. First personal foul. Basket. Number 7. Bibigay naman. On number 1. It's a traveling violation. To Soriano. Perimeter jumper. Kulang. Same ball pa rin. 26. 10 puntos ang Kalamangan. Basket. At nakaltasan lang. Walang puntos na lang ang Kalamangan ng Barangay Aliaga 2. Diretso. No good. But last touch ang Soriano.
Kai, si mapagatas Kai.
Nandun yung jersey niya sa bahay.
Number 4.
Talaga pinangalantakan.
Magkaranas. Bitawan. 2 points. Number 17 on Almasan. Bigay naman ang number 4. Sa nice assist coming from Almasan. Makaranas muntik mabitawan. Mabibitawan ba? Makaranas pa rin. No good. Bigay ang number 7. Ako naman ang susubok. No basket but bigay sa foul. 40. Mga bulili. Kaya yun, kung sa paniguruan man yung pinuwan, ano ba ang narin? 2 points. 42 lahat na.
Salatan yung man.
No good.
The official score, the official score.
42-30. 42-30.
Alibama
Kung sa wide. Hey!
Salatan mo na. Salatan mo pa doon.
42-32.
Number 17. 2 points. 42-34. 42-34. Makaranas. Diretso, no good. Muntik makuha pa yun. Naman Makaranas. 2 points.
44.
44-34. Number 17 on Almasan. Kanina pa ito ang Makaranas. 13 seconds on the shot clock. Sayana, no good. Ang mga pogi ng Tulong Norte, di kama number 1 and number 6 ang Sayana.
Ano may kulong.
Technical for beginning the game on Tulong Norte for the 6 players sa loob ng court. Tanula ba? Basta dirik sa'yo, lagpasan mo. For the bonus shot, Brewer.
Hindi, doon ang nakasuot. Dito ang nakasuot. Sali ako. Kaya tama.
Shout out kay Arden, masibay po sa. No good. Kita mo ko rin mga Patricia. Dito ka ko pa. Number 9. Bigay naman ng Magalanas. 10 seconds to shoot. Susubukin ng no good. Defensive rebound on number 1. Number 1 ngayon. Big Damon. To number 29. Masyadong malakas. Sayang. 2 minutes 34 seconds. This time on number 8. No good. Number 17 on Almasan. No good. For the putback basket on number 1, Tigamon. For the foul on number 0. And for the bonus free throw, 2 minutes 14 seconds. Also basket for Tigamon number 1. Untuk pahlawan bayan, this time on Makaranas. To number 10. No good. Masyadong malakas. Saves the ball. Number 23, 2. Number 1, no good. Makukuha pa rin ang number 23. 1 minute 40 seconds, no good.
Reserve time out ha, reserve time out.
Mabibitawan. It's a jump off, Ruling Norte for the basketball. Time out for Ariana Group. Time remaining for the third period, 1 minute 31 seconds. Number 23 to Almasan. Kakadaan si Almasan. No good. Nabigyan ng space. Harding lamang 2 points na anulog po. No good. Gigamon pa rin for the defensive rebound. 1 minute. No good. Follow up. No good. It's a wide lane violation. 57-39. Seconds. Makaranas. Ayuda. 33 seconds. 30 seconds. No good. Sorry, Barangay Ayala. 25 seconds. And the second shot clock is on, 19 seconds. Number 19, Bottoman. 10 seconds. Basket of the Gaman. 5 seconds. Mr. MVP Bayan. This is the fourth and final quarter, 10 minutes. For the play of 10 minutes. Fires the three, but no good. Defensive rebound on number 19. Number 19 ngayon, di diretso. Sa Ruling Norte. And please subscribe for multiples on the YouTube channel. Doon niyo po makikita ang ating mga laro. Kung meron kayong na-miss na laro, subscribe on Multikids YouTube channel at doon po natin makikita yung mga shoot ninyo. It's a 3 points. Yung mga shoot nyo without my baby. Number 19 this time on Bottoman. And to land sa foul ang number.
Cruising number 7.
Cruising on number 7 to land sa foul.
Technical foul.
And technical foul. Technical foul. First round of number 2 ang inahabol ng Barangay Ruling Norte, number 19. Dire-diretso. 2 points is good. 44. 50, 44. Bago, 50, 44. Two points. Ang sakit na ito, ang sakit niya gusto. Mahalo ng tambay. Number 19. Inside pass sana yun, pero nabasa. Number 14, no good. This time on the Gammon. So number 17, back to the Gammon. Basket at may kasama pang foul para kay number. For the second team foul substitution. it up. Almasal replaced by Solera, number 23. Last 7 minutes and 34 seconds. At magkakaltasan pa yan. 52-47. 5 puntos ka lang ang hinahamon ng Barangay Tulong Norte. So number 20. No good. Pero nakuha agad. It's a jump ball. At bola. Number 19, 2. No good. Number 6 again for the putback. 2 points. Tatlo na lang ang hinahabol.
Reserve timeout, reserve timeout.
Basket count at may kasamang foul para kay number 6 connects the foul. At magpapatawag ng timeout sa Barangay Aliagati. This time for the bonus shot of number 14. No good. Magkalanas. 2 points. Doctolera to number 6. Soriano, bibigay naman ang number 19 to mabibitawan niyo ang Digamon. 2 points. Napabayaan. No good. Same ball pa rin tayo. I call a timeout for Barangay Tulong Norte. Seconds.
Go, to play. Kalamay pa kayo.
No basket. First personal foul on Guardiana. Bugaman to number 19. Number 19 ngayon. Fire sa 3. That's short. At wala number 14.
Wala sakit talo to.
And number 27. 10 seconds to shoot. 4 minutes and 55 seconds. Diretso, 2 points and number 3. Uses the handle on Macaranas. 7 minutes and 46 seconds. Nakagawan yun sa number 19. Fire sa 3, but no good. Sa number 19. Sasabay si Macaranas. Inside pass para kay Digamon. Is a 9 shot on Digamon. Number 10 this time to number 14, Soriano. Basket. Pinipit ang bola sa taas. Number 13. Bibigyan naman ng Digamon. That connects the foul. Number 19. No basket again, but it's offensive foul on number 19. 5 fouls on number 19. Number 14 on Soriano.
Oras.
It's a 3 points. Last 3 minutes and 44 seconds. Mahal naman ang dress, but no good. Number 23, 2. No good again for 3 points. John. Number 7 is out. Number 9. Lock. Bigyan naman again. Turn around jumper, but no good. Napitawan pa yan ang Bukaman. No good again. Napitawan ang Bukaman. Last 3 minutes. No good. Masyadong lakas. To 5 and turn around and shot by number 6. Number 20. Makukuha yan. Andres Gaman. Inusog ang bantay. 2 points. Number 9. Libre na yan. 2 points. Nakaganyan. To the Gaman. No good. Last 2 minutes and 5 seconds. No good. Number 6 to the Gaman again. 2 points. Last 1 minute 53 seconds.
Relax.
10 seconds to shoot. Macaranas. 2 points. And call a timeout for Barangay Puno Norte. Last 1 minute and 33 seconds.
Pinalam ko naman yung kay Shin.
This time on number 6. 2 points. 1 minute and 12 seconds. But no good. 1 minute. And up 2 points. Lost 55 seconds. Almasan on number 17. But no good. 2 points for the putback of number 6. Lost 45 seconds. Last 40 seconds. 10 seconds to shoot. It's a 3 points. Last 30 seconds. 2 points on Redzana. 25 seconds. Naksawan na 14 seconds. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. And congratulations on Barangay Aliagatu for the winning in this ball game.
Picture kayo no, picture kayo. Pare, piste, miyakan, miyakan. Komite.